Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel Agri Makes Strong. And if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Today let us discuss about growth stages of sugarcane. In the different stages of the sugarcane, we will be discussing about the stages in the sugarcane. Let us discuss about the growth stages of sugarcane. As we know that sugarcane is the most commercial crop and it is an sweeper plant and which is considered to be the most efficient converters of solar energy. It has the 5 growth stages. Let us see one by one. First stage is germination phase stage and second is tillering phase, third grand growth phase and fourth maturation phase and fifth we see ripening phase. These are the stages of the sugarcane in the growth and we will be discussing it detailedly one by one. Let us see about the germination phase. And as we know that sugarcane is a commercially cultivated crop and it has the propagation through vegetative propagation and by the stem cuttings or by whole stem cuttings. There are only two, that through the stem or the whole stem. We can propagate it both the ways. And the seed production is employed only in the selection. Coming to the planting cuttings, should have at least the 3 buds so that there will be a germination percentage will be more. And sprouting phase, the beginning is the marked by 10% and the complete stage by 75% of sprouts is thought to commence when 2 leaves appear on the stem. This is the phase of germination where we can observe the 2 leaf stage from the stem, and this is the germination phase of the sugarcane. Coming to the tillering phase where we can see the tillers of the sugarcane, and tillering of the sugarcane in the tropics begins soon in about 15 to 20 days after the first sprouts appear, and the secondary sprouts are formed from underground buds. In the early ripening varieties of sugarcane, tillering lasts for 6 to 4 to 6 months and finishes after the row contact. And if you see the late ripening varieties of sugarcane, the tillering lasts along with 6 to 8 months. It will be in the late ripening varieties of sugarcane. And every new sprout appears in 2 to 4 days of the sugarcane if you observe. Under the field cultivation, each plant develops in certain ways. First is in strong bushy varieties like 20 to 40 sprouts, and in the medium bushy types like 15 to 25 sprouts, and in weakly bushy types like 18 to 12 sprouts. Here you can observe the tillering phase. This is the tillering phase of the sugarcane where we can see the tillers. Coming to the grand growth phase where the stage lasts about the 5 to 8 months, and the sugarcane plants normally vegetative type and if properly supplied with heat and moisture content, and grand growth phase which starts from 120 days after the planting and lasts up to 270 days in 12-month crop, and the duration will be like 120 days and 270 days. During this early period of this phase, tiller stabilizes takes place. In this phase, the first taking place will be like tiller stabilization phase. And out of the total tillers, produced only 40 to 50%, and by 150 days to form a malleable cane. It takes about 150 days to form a cane, fully mature cane. and the most important phase of the crop, wherein the actual cane formation and elongation and thus yield buildup takes place. And in the leaf production is subsequent and frequent and rapid during this phase, with LAI reaching the around 6 to 7. Under the favorable conditions, the stalks grow rapidly and almost 4 to 5 internodes per month. This will be the grand growth phase, where we can see that the duration will be 5 to 8 months, or the grand growth stage starts from 120 to 270 days in 12-month crop. And here you can observe that the tiller stabilization takes place, and the tillers produced to only 40 to 50% survives, and the cane formation and elongation also occurs in this phase, and leaf production is subsequent. Under these conditions, stalks will grow rapidly, almost 4 to 5 nodes per month. This is the grand growth stage. You can observe the picture of grand growth phase of the sugarcane. Coming to the maturation and ripening stage, this stage lasts for 3 months, and its maturation is determined by definite source levels in the stems and in low level of reducing sugars. In the commercial ripening of stems can be identified quite reliably by the ratio of refractometry indices of juice taken from the 7th, 8th internodes and lower. In the tropics, by harvesting time, the sugarcane stems accumulate on an average 14 to 16% of sugar. In subtropics, it should contain 8 to 12% of sugar. This is the maturation and the ripening stage, where we can observe the sucrose levels in the stems and the low level of reducing the sugars, and in this phase you can observe the sugarcane accumulates will be like 14 to 16% of sugar, and in subtropics like 8 to 12% of sugar. This is the maturation and the ripening stage. This is the picture which is depicting the maturation and the ripening stage of sugarcane. These are some of the growth stages of sugarcane in detail. Thank you for watching.